Hello everyone, this is my view of this cookie press. This cookie press is pretty simple to operate. You just put your cookie dough inside that chamber there, and you have a number of attachments you can put on this to make different designs for your cookie dough when you press out. But you just screw off the lid here, and this is one of the attachments here that makes, I believe, a heart. But you have several different attachments. I'll show you those. But it's pretty simple to put in there and take out. So you just take it out and just replace it with a different one so you can make a different cookie design and you just put it back on there. You can see all the different templates of designs you can use to make for the cookie press. So it's very versatile, whatever your heart pretty much desire with all these templates. You can also detach the tubing from up above, and it uses a crimp action type. So when you crimp down on the handle, it pushes this down to push the dough down, and it has latches on there to ratchet it down to keep it going down, kind of like a glue gun, which I doubt you probably haven't used a glue gun, but it's the same concept. But this is a good tool for making cookie dough, and I